This barbasol razor kit was about $10. It works pretty well. It's a little louder than the one we had before, but it does cut hair fine. This is not a razor with a rechargeable battery. We like the kind with a plug. We've used this one for about the last 10 years and it's worked great, but we're fighting the batteries every time we plug it in now. It just barely wants to run. The most important thing with any electric razor is that you have to keep it oiled. You have to keep these blades oiled or it's just going to dull out very quickly. Turn it on and put 1 drop on. If you're intending to keep this around for a long time, you have to remember to oil it every time. These are the accessories it came with. There's 3 different attachments for length of hair. And these scissors, I will say, are terrible. You could probably give these to a kindergartner to use for school for paper, but they don't do very good on hair. These attachments are a little snug, but if you press hard, it does snap on. Do you notice anything between these two? This one is a little flatter, and see how the blade is only slightly angled, and this one is really angled upward. So it's a little awkward as you're cutting in this direction, but it still does the trick. We'll trim the back without any attachments. You have to go back and forth a few times to get this to cut through even a thin amount of hair. This one does not trim as good as the other one did when we're doing this on the back of the neck. But for $9 or $10, it does the job.